Hello, in front of me I've got XBLITZ TANGO 4K. In this video I'll show you how to install windshield adapter. To install the windshield adapter, simply plug it like this. Windshield adapter is magnetic. There's only one way to connect it because of the opposite magnets. Next, once the camera is connected to adapter, adjust it, and to stick it to front windshield, use this sticker. Clean the windshield, remove the sticker on the other side, and stick it to front windshield. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.